What the heck? A zombie shark is stuck on my pipe. Well, I took care of it, but now my whole village is underwater because of that. I have to do something. All right, let's start over. What do you think? Let's erase all of this and build from scratch. First, I need to wall off this pipe. After that, I can build my villagers' huts right here. Once that's done, we have to build a farm. Otherwise, my villagers will have nothing to eat. A farm needs water, so let's open the damn doors. Now we have to distribute the water evenly. So let's add a water mill right here. Next job, build a pond for fishing. After that, a sheep barn and a cow barn. Now I can set up a fishing spot so my villagers can start collecting fish. Well, I don't think my people will go hungry ever again.